In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off smooth display. Many of you ask me in the comments if it's possible to change screen refresh rate on this Google Pixel. Short answer is no, you can't do that like you can on other devices. But you can manage a feature called Smooth Display. Let me explain. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Display and Touch. Now scroll all the way down right away. Following that, you can use this switcher next to Smooth Display feature. When it's enabled, it will automatically raise the refresh rate up to 120 for some content, but it will also increase your battery usage. If you wish to switch it off, use this switcher until you see this X. To turn it on, click on the same one, and this time wait for a check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!